What's up guys, it's TheGearChange here, back with another video, and today I have something quite exciting that has arrived in the mail. I wasn't expecting it till Monday, probably like Monday afternoon, but I finally got my DREAMSCIENCE iMAP for the XR5. Been wanting to do this for a little while. I've been speaking about tunes back and forth on my Instagram and what I was going to go for, things like that. Yeah, there's a bunch of different options for these cars. There'll probably be some comments below saying whether this was a good choice or a bad choice. I don't know. You know, you got UCC, OEM denied, handful of others, and obviously DREAMSCIENCE. Yeah, reasoning why I picked this, mainly it was on sale. They obviously had a New Year's or Christmas sale. I had a mate let me know that these were on sale, and at the time I was actually looking for a steering wheel, like a custom sort of carbon steering wheel, and I was debating on whether I got a steering wheel or a tune, or something else, like saving up for coilovers. But I thought, you know, I've got pretty much all the bolt-ons on this car so far, so I thought, why not just see if I can make use of it finally. I've heard a lot of things from my mates down in Sydney and even Melbourne saying, hey, you know, you're going to want your car tuned. And I've gone, oh, yeah, I'll get to it eventually. So finally, it's here. Yeah, I pretty much have just taken it out of the packaging. I haven't done anything else. I've just, yeah, taken it out of the box because I couldn't help myself. And yeah, basically just going to unbox it now. So I'll probably change the camera so it's like, I don't know, up on the roof or something, so you guys can like see me like open it up for the first time and see what's in the box. So I guess we'll do that now. Okay, so this will be a bit of a short video. Some of you are probably going to say, oh, there's sun there, why would you not load it up? The weather has been very, very bipolar. I don't know if that's the right word. Up and down here on the Gold Coast, especially where I'm living. This morning it was bucketing down, and then it's sunny, and then it was raining again. So it's very hard for me to kind of tell when the weather's good. And an idea I had was, since this is still in some form of, I guess, stock form, with all the bolt-ons, kind of, I thought it would be a cool idea to kind of do a comparison test between this with all the bolt-ons, and then stage 1, and then I think Mod X, which is what my mate said is like the equivalent of a stage 2. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. But yeah, so I feel like that would be a cool video, kind of comparing it, because I haven't really seen anything like that. I've seen a few, but I haven't seen it here in Australia with people kind of comparing their cars in stock form and then tuned, because a lot of people buy them tuned. So yeah, as I said, I haven't really done anything except slit this tag, and that's about it. I don't really know what's in here. I hope I'm getting all of this on my little Insta360, so probably don't need that. Rightio. There's a little handset, it's pretty cool, pretty neat, pretty nice. Just put that down there. Wall foam. Going to assume that this is, yeah, the manual or checklist for everything. Pre-installed checklist. So yeah, I guess all that jazz. It's quite good. So actually, it got here very quickly. It only shipped on the 9th of January, and today is the 12th. It's the 12th? So it's got here pretty quickly. And what else have I got in here? What am I looking for? I think that's my sticker, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, there it is. Look at that. DREAMSCIENCE Motorsport. I don't even know if that'll fit on my side window. I might have to put it on the very back. Quite nice though. And then the very last thing, which is, how do I even open this? Do I open it from here, I guess? I'm gonna have to open it from here now. And it's just all the cables. So that one, and then that one. So I'll put this down. So this is obviously the main cable that'll plug down in there in the OBD port. Here they go, OBD2. So sweet. Alright, well, that is everything. I will plug it in, and then we'll, I guess, go through what tunes came with it. Alright, so I've just got the OBD2 cable, and I've plugged it into the car and obviously into the handset. You've got all the different sort of functions here, like vehicle functions for engine codes, engine lights and stuff like that. With my car, I have I think it's an oxygen sensor engine light at the moment, so obviously now with this, hopefully I can just clear it. because I've got a high flow catback system. Device info, device settings. I was just playing around just so I could make sure I knew what I was doing. You click program, it says not legal. Obviously in California. You click continue. I've just put it in like ignition mode or whatever that sort of thing is, accessories I guess. And you just click continue, and it processes. Didn't even realize there's a little light down there. And yeah, so there you go, engine preloaded tunes, 2005 to 2008, and you just click that one. And then yeah, you got these, all that. So obviously I'm not going to load that on straight away. So yeah. And the reason is because my car has a little bit of 95. I know people in the comments are not going to be happy with that. But I just needed to top it up the other day, and I went to a server that for some reason did not have 98 and it had 95. Don't ask me how. And yeah, so I've topped it up. That's where my fuel's sitting at now. I think you guys can see it there. So because of that, I obviously can't load the tune because it's meant to be run on 98 fuel. So I will have to wait until the fuel gets pretty much empty and then I'll load it up. But still quite exciting. I'm really keen to do the comparison video. I'll probably get my dad to drive the car, and I can film, and then vice versa. I guess I'll do some driving and filming and use either this sort of POV headset or mount the camera like on the windshield. So I'll have to do some of that to kind of show you guys what the difference is between obviously this car being stock with bolt-ons, and then I think it's DSCI and then Performance Plus and Mod X. I can't remember all the names of them, honestly. It's too hard for me to remember all the names, but yeah, so because I've got all the bolt-ons for stage 2, my goal is basically going from here to stage 1 and then straight to stage 2, to kind of, I guess, see what the difference is. A lot of my mates have said it'll be a very big jump, so I'm pretty keen to kind of see what sort of power I can get out of the car and see what the difference is. So yeah, I appreciate you guys watching the videos lately. A lot of them are doing quite well, and you know, the support doesn't go unnoticed, especially in the comments. It's really good kind of talking to you guys and kind of getting to know who's watching my content. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.